Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to set up fingerprint unlocking on this laptop. So first you have to open Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Accounts and go to Sign In Options. Open this menu, then select fingerprint recognition, setup, then get started, then confirm your identity using your PIN code, and then start pressing the fingerprint sensor, which is located right on your power button. Try using different parts of your fingerprint of your finger to ensure the best experience at the edges, and once you're done you'll be notified with a message like this. So at this point you can lock the screen of your device and unlock it using your fingerprint. To remove it, simply expand this list and select remove, and you can also add in another finger by clicking this button right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.